I'm Simon Libbers, a property law specialist accredited by the Law Institute of Victoria, and I'm here to tell you something you mightn't want to hear. E-convayancing has arrived. Now, some have been looking forward to this for a long time, some have been dreading it. But certainly you've been hearing about it for quite a while, sometimes wondering maybe it will never happen. But it is here, it is available, can be used. And for those of you that were hoping that you would be well retired, or possibly even dead before it came in, then bad luck, you have to get used to the idea. What actually is e-conveyancing, how does it work, and what it means to you? If you're wanting to use the electronic conveyancing system, there are a number of things you have to do, a number of obligations with which you've got to comply. But in this system, there is an obligation. You must carry out identification of your client, and you're going to certify to all the other parties involved in the transaction that you've done so. Now that we're moving from paper transactions to electronic transactions, how can we be satisfied that what's being lodged is in fact correct? In the electronic world, they don't sign those documents at all. They only sign one document. The only document they're required to sign in relation to the transaction is a client authorisation. When we move into electronic conveyancing, there's going to be no documents and no bank checks. So, the way the money is going to change hands is by funds transfer. There are a number of issues that come out of this. First of all, where does the money come from? And secondly, where does it go? The other issue is, of course, about what if it goes to the wrong place. The contract that we currently use focuses totally on a paper transaction with a physical settlement and bank checks. So clearly, if we're going to have an electronic transaction, we need to change what's in the contract. So, there in a nutshell is electronic conveyancing.